COP26 wrapped up last month in Glasgow, and fossil fuels were big on the agenda, with dramatic reductions in their production necessary to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees. However, energy prices have spiked recently, in a reminder that despite the current move towards more sustainable growth, fossil fuels reign in the energy market, and are likely to do so for some more time. So, how will this shift affect fossil fuel prices in the next few years? Even though oil supply is forecast to rise in absolute terms in the years ahead, the rate of growth could be limited by lower investment as the move towards renewables advances. That said, government pledges to reduce the use of fossil fuels should place downward pressure on prices through softer demand momentum. The analysts we polled project prices to fall by over 10% from 2021 levels to average $62.6 per barrel in 2026. Because gas is less polluting than oil or coal, it is likely it will continue to extend its dominance over the next few years. However, this increased supply is also likely to weigh somewhat on prices over our forecast horizon, and our panelists see the spot price falling by around 15% from 2021 levels to average $3.46 per MMBTU in 2026. As coal is the dirtiest of the major fossil fuels, it is likely to fall increasingly out of favour, placing downward pressure on demand. That said, a number of countries will likely still depend heavily on coal in the near term, most notably China and India. The move towards renewables is also likely to limit supply. The panel projects that the price of thermal coal will fall by roughly half from 2021 levels to average $60.4 per metric ton in 2026. To sum up, for all fossil fuels, supply growth is likely to be hit by the green transition as investors increasingly adopt ESG criteria and governments introduce mandates and shift resources to hasten the move toward renewable energy production. In conclusion, we project a fall from currently elevated levels in the price of fossil fuels across our forecast horizon. Thanks for watching. To read more about this topic, click on the link in the description.